APIs often offer endpoints that return one row of data for each queried ID. In the following example, we are querying the ClicData API to return properties for a list of dashboards. Create a new table and enter the wished endpoint, which expects the ID of the dashboard. Now replace this with a formula, multiple ID in double brackets. All that is left to do now is define a list of IDs in the multiple calls tab. It can be a manual list like this, or a list coming from another data table which has been prepared beforehand. The ID itself can be included as a new column in the current table. The test runs on the first ID of the list. Select the node level that needs to be returned, preview, and voila, the table now will load data for each dashboard ID. With this setup, each refresh will fetch the current list of IDs from the reference table, so it's up to you to be smart and filter it to only list the needed IDs there.